Hello guys, this is Flank DE-ANOINTED FX, and this is our normal weekly outlook on the current CPLs, cryptos, metas, indices, and the rest of them. So guys, I want to really support to wish you Happy New Year in advance. Happy 2025 in advance. And I pray for you guys that 2025 gonna be best year in trading. Remember also that I have an series, a video series, educational series that will coming up on this channel by ending of January next year. That's starting from February. So key in by subscribing to this channel and also joining our Telegram channel to find out what's pair that we are focusing on trading. Okay, guys. So without wasting much of our time, I want to bring you guys to notice disclaimer here. This channel is for educational purposes, and all the videos, presentations, and writings are only for educational purposes and are not intended as an investment advice. You can implement this while trading at your own risk after you have consulted your financial what advisor. That is, oh guys, remember that trading is not suitable for everyone. So you have to have the capacity, mental capacity, and mind to trade. So let's go on without wasting much of our time. This is a DSY. And looking at DSY, you can see that it have came to our boxed, but I could see a correction. What I expect here is a correction that will come here, that will come this place, and then touch this box before then selling. What I expected a drop, an up move, and a correction. That is what I expecting it is. When you look at it, discover that it's trying to correct below here. If you go down to the lower time frame, you can see that is A, B, and C that is trying to do. Then up move will come, the final up move before a drop. That is all for DSY. Euro US dollar. This is Euro US dollar. Of course, you can see that the pair, Euro US dollar pairs, is doing a little bit correction on this very place. So as per it to collect, as it's collecting up to come over to this very level, over to this very level, then drop to here. Then four buyers will come. So this is our ending place for Euro user. And if you don't see it here, then they can wait for it here. Once it's break here, they will start looking for our buy setup and buy and go. That is all for Euro US dollar. So this is a Great Britain US dollar, Great Britain US dollar. When you look at it, you can see one, can see two, can see three. So it's doing four. Once four is complete, then five. Last one will come five. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting a drop. After this correction, a drop again to this box. Then before the buyers will not come in to buy it. That is all for Great Britain US dollar. Oh, this is New Zealand. It's a New Zealand dollar. Australian, sorry, not New Zealand. Can see the you can see where it's coming. This very low. So what am I expecting? He has corrected to this very plus and it's dropping. So I'm expecting a little bit correction by Monday up here before a drop. It can as well come up bigger up to this very place before a drop. And it can as well fall from here. So all these places, once you see a correction up, you know that they say, once you see a correction down, once you see it forming down, then they say the details of this trade, because I'm going to trade this trade my next week. And obviously, it will be on Telegram channel. So make sure you are there to capture. this very trade. So the same goes to New Zealand, US dollar. When you look at it, you can see that it's already coming up a little bit. This is where I marked for it to come. If come up here, then a drop. My target is this very line, this very green line, which is 0.55100. So that is my target here. Once the market comes here, I'll stop selling and start finding opportunity to buy the market. That is all for New Zealand dollar. Okay, this is US dollar, Swiss francs. You can see it's coming up for the final lap. It's coming up for the final lap. So I expect this market to do a bit correction and then up to this very place before any sell will come. So a correction and up and sell. That is all for this pair. Okay, this is US dollar. US dollar Japanese yen. Do I expect a correction from here to here before a buy? But I think it did a running flat and it's going up. So once it get to this place, I'll start looking for opportunity to sell this trade. I will stop looking for buy, except it's if you take away this level, this very level here, then and I will know that it is a very strong pair. Then there's no other place to sell it. I'm looking for sell though from this market area. That is all for this guy. When you look at this pair, you discover that it's in a correction move. This whole move is a correction move, correcting this impulse. What are we expecting? We're expecting an up move from here, up move to this belly point, and drop. So here, this belly place from here to here is our target to sell. So once market come into that very zone, then start looking for a sell setup where you can sell Canada, Japanese yen. So I think that's all. Japan, all the Japanese yens are the same thing. So they are all the same category. As I told you the other time, it's coming up to this very place. This is my place of target. This is my place of target. So once it get there, that is 170, 168 to 170. Once it get there, then I'll start looking for a sell. And this is all for Euro Japanese yen. The same goes all the yen pair, all the yen pair are doing the same thing. But this guy may not come up to this very point because looking at it, it look like wave one, wave two, wave three, wave four, and wave five. So this guy may not come up all the way here. It may start selling from this point down to complete wave five. But all the same, there is an alternative structure where it may come up again to this very pulse before a drop. That is all for AUD Japanese yen. Okay. Euro, Great Britain, Japanese yen as expected. You can see I forecasted it. It's coming up, and here is the destination. This very place is our market area for sale. Once we get to that place, we start looking for sell setup. The sell is going to be very huge like this. Sell is going to be very huge again like this. So get ready for it. That is all. This. Okay, US 30. The Jones Industrial Average or US 30. I expected it to come up from here to this very place before a drop. So we are still waiting. He has not gotten to the marked area. So once it get to marked area, then he start looking for sell opportunity. At least take profit maybe here, this very place. We just take profit. And if you break it, then we'll target here and start take profit. This very place. So that is all for US 30. Nasdaq. Okay. Nasdaq touched our mark area and is going down. So what are we expecting in Nasdaq? We were expecting a correction towards up here again to test that place, then a drop. A drop can come as well as to this very trend line. So the drop is going to be huge. That is all for NAS 100. Okay, Canada pair. We expected Canada to come to this box, come to this box for correction. It must well come from here to this box before I can buy it. Once it's correctly come to this box, then I look forward to buy it. If it did not come, I'm not interested. Canada pair moves somehow. There's a way they normally move. The same goes to this Canada pair. Looking at it, expected it to come to this box to correct all the way from here to correct before I can confidently buy it. If not, not as good. What are we expecting in gold? I'm expecting a 50% correction. I'm expecting it to come here, to come to this very point before it drop to here. So here, I'm looking for entry here. But if gold did not come to that place, then if you break here, break this low. If you break this low, then I'll look for entry, a correction, I enter, and a drop. So, but here is my first target. If I couldn't get it here, I'll wait for it to break this low, this very low. Once the low is broken, I'll wait for pullback, enter, then target this 100%, which is 2,400 and 2,467. So that's where I will be picking gold to deal with. Okay, silver. Of course, when you look at silver, you can discover that when you look at silver, you discover that as a place, I marked that place as the place I was to correct to that place in order to go up. This is my go up here and then a drop to this very 100%. This is my entry. So this is my target to enter this very place. And if it did not go there, once here is broken, once this level is taken out like this, then I look for correction and then target here and get this move. So if I couldn't get here to enter saver, I can as well enter through this place once this place is taken out. That is all for saver US dollar. Okay, well, this pair has been trading strangely. I expected it to drop from this boss, but it have been moving up, 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 up. So I'm potentially waiting for it, but I know it has to drop because this is A, this is B. The B have extended to this very point. The B have extended to here. So this is A. This now can be this now can be A. This place can be B. While this place can be C. So it means that the B is trying to do a flat collection. I'm looking for a setup. Once I see that, I will set down to this very place, and it's going to be an impossible movement, and it's going to be a very good risk reward ratio. That is all for mm, New Zealand. Okay, this is an expected regular flat. So I'm expecting it to sell. Of course, it's not yet. Once this place is broken, this very level is broken, then confirmation line is broken, then I look for and pull back, and that's it. This very place. It's going to be a very good sale. It's going to happen next year, 2025. So keep your eyes open, guys. That is all for Edo Australian dollar. Okay, this is Great Britain Australian dollar. Okay, Great Britain standard and I expecting a sell. I'm still expecting a sell, even though he has broken past this level. I'm still expecting this A, B, C. This is A, B, and C. So I'm expecting a wave of C, the bigger wave C, It's going to start from here down to this very point. So that's what I'm expecting. It's not ready yet. When it is ready, we'll start talking about it. Right now, I'll keep watching to make sure everything is. The same goes with uh Great Britain, New Zealand dollar. You can see W, X, Y, X, Z. So what am I expecting? Expecting a correction, an impulse to this very point. This 100%. That is what I am expecting an impulse to. So a sell from here to here. So once I see a sell signal, I will go in. That is for Great Britain, New Zealand dollar. Oh, cryptocurrency. I told you earlier, cryptocurrencies have not yet done correcting. We can look at it. Ripple is coming down again. So I got Ripple to come to this very box. This is marked area. This is from where that is about $1.81. So from there, we're buying it again to a new height. Ripple may finish this bull run in $5. So once it's gone here, I'm going to buy it hugely. January bullish movement. That's all for Ripple. Solana. Oh, okay. Solana, the same goes with Solana. Especially Solana to drop at least to this end of the box, this very place, before buyers will enter to find it. Solana may end the run on $500 per one Solana. BTC, of course, what I written about it is playing out. I told you this is A, this is B, and C is coming. You can see where the C is dropping in BTC. When you look at it, you can see it's coming down from here to this box. You can even get to here, this very place, before the buyers will begin. So, but this is 8%. So I suspect this very 8% is going to hold it at least at the down of this box can hold it. It's $8. $8,000 per one BTC. That is where I expecting it to return back between $80,000 and $84,000. So any wish point I got to touch there before a bounce back for new highs expected. Okay, this is V chain. Something goes on crypto. All of them is touching ground. This one is going to touch the double bottom before a bullish movement can take place. This is a ARB US dollar. So I expected it to reverse from here. This is A, B, and C. Either I reverse from here and start going up, but it's going to go very sluggishly. Because of what Bitcoin is doing before it now move. As I expected, or it's going to come down even to here before it can move, or even to this low before it can go up. So that is all for this. This is a polygon. Polygon. You can see polygon do A, B, and C, and it has touched. I expect polygon to drop. It has dropped and it's moved up a little bit, but that's ready to drop again. But people are not done yet. Drop to here or even below here before it can start moving up. That is polygon. Because Bitcoin control the movement of every cryptocurrencies. One Bitcoin is falling, all of them will be falling. One Bitcoin is going up, all of them will be going up. This is A, B, C, D, E. So that is all. I'm going to break this low. Yeah, we're going to break this low before that is for Dodge USDT. This is Ethereum USDT. So I wanted Ethereum to drop below again here before a buy continues. A drop below here will be a good one for a buy continues. That is all for Ethereum. Bitcoin controls everything, and once Bitcoin is falling, every other cryptocurrency we must bow. So the Bitcoin is falling to complete C. He has done A, he has done B, it's now falling to complete C. So every other crypto we bleed. I think that is all, guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this video, subscribe to my channel, and also share the video with all your friends. Remember to join our Telegram channel. Remember to give us a thumbs like. Remember to comment on this video on YouTube. Thank you, all guys. Remain blessed. Happy New Year once more.